Hey, what's up, YouTube? Going to do a on a video on Sapphire here. Well, it looks like I believe I broke my drive shaft, and I'm currently waiting on the tow truck to arrive. So the good thing, I have the roadside assistance that came with the car. So all I had to do is push the assist button on the mirror there, and yeah, I was driving along, on my way home. And I live pretty close to where this happened, and I'm actually like really close to the dealership as well. And driving along, and suddenly I hear this big like pop sound, and then RPMs started to go up, and I'm like, oh crap, this isn't good. So luckily I was able to coast myself into the parking lot here of the school. And yeah, it's pretty bad. I just rolled 41,526 miles on Sapphire here. I actually just gave her a nice wash today, and she's looking real shiny and stuff. Car starts up and everything. I have no check engine lights or anything. No, I don't have any malfunction lights, but yeah, so I'll let you guys listen here of what it sounds like. So that's all fine, right? So when I put the car into, let's say, reverse, you hear that, guys? So let me take you guys around to the back.